The capacity graph suggests we need wider doors for the frequent stops.
Yes, optimizing the guideway system for rapid acceleration is key.
Rubber tire technology enables steep grades, tight curves, and quiet operation, making it ideal for indoor airport environments.
Yes. Steel-wheeled configuration engineering creates rail-based systems for some applications. Traditional wheel-on-rail technology.
Car body design utilizes lightweight aluminum or composite construction, minimizing structural loads.
Aluminum extrusion produces structural profiles forming vehicle frame. Specialized alloys provide excellent strength-to-weight ratio essential for automated systems. Frame welding joins extruded sections using robotic equipment. Precision automated welding creates rigid, lightweight structure, resisting operational stress.
237.8. Underframe assembly constructs equipment mounting platform, housing traction systems, braking.
237.9. Bogie fabrication manufactures wheeled assemblies with guide wheel assembly installs horizontal wheels or rails, preventing lateral movement. Guidance systems maintain precise track.
Suspension system integration installs air springs or burr elements isolating passengers from guideway or rail. Sophisticated suspension provides smooth, comfortable ride.
Brake system assembly integrated sunroof.
Emergency brake installation provides fail-safe stopping using spring-applied mechanisms.
Emergency power systems are active. Please follow the instructions of the crew.
All right, sir, watch your step now. We'll get you to safety.
Automatic door installation mounts wide sliding doors at each vehicle section. Plug type or pocket doors enable rapid passenger boarding. Door operator mounting installs powerful electric actuators cycling doors reliably. Robust operator.
Door sensors are adjusting.
Interior panel installation covers structural framing with attractive wall and ceiling finishes. Lightweight composite panels.
Light installation embeds energy-efficient LED fixtures, providing uniform illumination. Bright, pleasant lighting
Flood. HVAC equipment mounting installs climate control systems, maintaining comfortable temperature and air quality.
Look at that A380 taking off over there. Incredible, isn't it? The view is so clear.
Floor covering application installs slip-resistant durable materials. Heavy-duty flooring withstands luggage wheels and high-foot traffic, while providing acoustic damping, reducing noise transmission.
Automatic train operation equipment division integrates onboard computers, enabling completely
redundant processing systems ensuring safe operations. Dual or triple redundant computers provide fail-safe control maining service, even if individual processors.
position sensor and receiver determining.
Collision avoidance system integration calculates safe separation distances, automatically controlling speed. Computer-enforced safety margins prevent collisions.
Attention! Attention!
We have an emergency situation. Remain seated and await instructions. Do not attempt to open the doors.
What is the status of the downtown line? I am going to be late.
We are experiencing a service disruption.
Please proceed to the upper level for shuttle bus service.
We have to evacuate the bus now. Everyone head to the emergency exits, quickly!
Come on, move faster!
According to the schematic, this line goes directly to the traction equipment.
Yes, that matches diagram 23741. Make sure it's secured properly.
Third rail collector mounting positions spring-loaded contact shoes gathering current from powered conductor. Multiple collectors ensure redundant power system.
Communication antenna mounting installs wireless equipment enabling vehicle-to-infrastructure data exchange. Weight distribution optimization positions heavy components, balancing vehicle loading.
Exterior graphics application applies vinyl wraps or paint displaying airport branding, effective liveries and handprints.
Aerodynamic bearings installation covers bogies and equipment, reducing air resistance and noise. Coupler installation mounts automatic mechanical and electrical connections between vehicles. Flexible coupling enables
Gangway connection installs flexible passageways between cars, enabling passenger flow. Walk-through design allows movements.
Weather sealing application installs gaskets at doors and panel joints, preventing water intrusion.
Acoustic insulation installation applies sound deadening and materials throughout structure. Multiple insulation.
Cable harness installation routes electrical wiring throughout vehicle, connecting all systems. Organized wire bundles facilitate
237.57. Pneumatic piping installation connects compressed air to
Static testing applies loads, verifying structural strength. Comprehensive load testing.
Dynamic testing operates vehicle on test guideway, evaluating performance at various speeds.
Automated operation testing validates driverless control systems through exhaustive scenarios. This is a test of the automated stopping system. Doors are opening. Please board safely. Door coordination testing verifies synchronization with platform barriers where installed.
Feet first, slide down smoothly. Keep the flow going.
All clear at the bottom. Head count complete.
To 37.67. Brake performance measures distances under various load.
The acoustic measurements verify adequate sound insulation, creating a pleasant environment.
under a safety and function control.
203rd video. 30 directioning 7.70. Quality inspection and verifying build quality and specification compliance.
As you can see, the water flow rate exceeds the required GPM.
Excellent. The results clearly validate the performance specifications. We accept the delivery.
237.72. Delivery preparation secures vehicle for transport, protecting finished.
This sensor array manages the automated guidance. Use the torque wrench to secure the coupling, but be careful not to over-tighten.
Technical documentation provision supplies maintenance manuals, religance manuals, electrical schematics, and parts catalogs.
Spare parts provision establishes initial inventory supporting vehicle maintenance requirements. Adequate parts availability.
237.76. Warranty support provides manufacturer assistance addressing early operational issues. Factory support.
The system is fully commissioned and ready for revenue service, with optimal performance across the board.
This is exactly what we needed. Thank you.
Performance monitoring analyzes operational data from initial service, validating design assumptions. Data collection identifies optimization opportunities and design refinements benefiting future orders.
Truthness. Continuous improvement incorporates lessons learned from service experience. Systematic engineering changes address identified issues.
Customization capability adapts standard designs for specific airport requirements. Flexible manufacturing.
Stand clear of the doors, please. The next stop is Central Station.
Security integration coordinates with airport security systems, including surveillance and access control. Comprehensive security features protect
237.84. Energy efficiency optimization implements regenerative brake.
Rapid transit capability enables high-frequency service with minimal headways. Automated operations.
Weather resistance ensures reliable operations despite rain, snow, and temperature extremes.
Reduce numbers. Low maintenance design minimizes operating costs through durable components and accessible layouts. Thoughtful
Shooters. Modular construction enables rapid component replacement during maintenance. Standardized interfaces allow quick subsystem.
We suspension with a hybrid distemper like that style.
Technology upgrade capability enables retrofit-proof systems as technology evolves. Forward-compatible design allows
Historic significance recognized pioneering automated systems influencing transit development. Early installations at Tampa and Miami airports demonstrated automated people mover viability.
Airport deployment serves major facilities worldwide, from Atlanta to Singapore. Diverse
capacity advantages provide high throughput on dedicated guideways connecting terminals efficiently. Automated operations and
Reliability achievement demonstrates excellent performance with minimal service disruptions.
Passenger satisfaction reflects positive experiences with convenient, efficient automated service.
Operational efficiency benefits from automation, eliminating labor costs while ensuring consistent service. 237.97. Safety record demonstrates excellent performance over decades of automated. Environmental benefits include electric propulsion and efficient operations, clean, quiet operation, and regenerative.
construction speed enables rapid deployment connecting terminals quickly. Elevated to a construction procedure. Expansion flexibility enables system growth as airports expand, adding terminals. Modular infrastructure design.
theme park applications adapt technology for entertainment venues requiring people movement.
Urban transit adaptation explores automated people mover technology for city application. Successful airport operations.
237.104. Downtown circulator potential applies technology to hospital campus applications utilize automated systems connecting medical facilities. Reliable
Now arriving at the Life Sciences building. Doors opening. This automated service connects all distant facilities efficiently.
Corporate campus applications serve large employment centers with multiple buildings. Automated transit.
Technology evolution advances automation capabilities through improved sensors and computing.
Predictive maintenance integration embeds sensors monitoring component condition, enabling proactive servicing. Data analytics predict.
Hydrogen fuel cell exploration examines zero-emission propulsion alternatives.
Passenger flow optimization uses sensors measuring crowding and adjusting service accordingly.
Real-time passenger information provides mobile connectivity enabling journey planning. Smartphone integration enhances passenger.
Contactless payment integration supports convenient fare collection through smartphone and card systems. Modern passport. Pandemic response adaptations include enhanced ventilation and sanitization systems.
Open.
.123. Social distancing accommodation adapts capacity and operations, maintaining separation during.
Future potential anticipates broader applications beyond airports and theme parks. Proven technology could expand.
Urbanization trends increase demand for automated transit solutions supporting density, growing cities. Sustainable transportation, reducing automobile dependence, electric online.